Hello everyone out there. Today we will be discussing on problems faced by women entrepreneurs in India. Generally, women need to come across a lot of struggles, challenges and obstacles in their personal life. When they turn into business, they have to face many problems for every success. Despite effort is made, by them, they must be recognized positively and their faith to withstand by themselves. Generally, there are many problems that to women role is a challenging one when she wishes to start an enterprise or her own business. There are many problems which may come across, but here I have pointed out only a few problems. Number one is problem of finance. Second one is limited mobility. Third one is family ties. Fourth one is male dominated society. Fifth one is family conflicts. Sixth one is role conflicts. Now we will discuss this one by one. The problems of the problems of women entrepreneurs encounter two sets of problems. One is the general problem, another one is problems specific to women entrepreneurs. The problem of access to finance. As I discussed, women face problem regarding collection of finance because finance is regarded as lifeblood for any enterprise, be it small or big. However, women entrepreneurs suffer from shortage of finance. Women do not generally have property on their names to use them as collateral security for obtaining funds from external sources. Thus, their access to external sources of funds is limited. The banks also consider women less credit worthy and discourage women borrowers on the belief that they can at any time leave their business. Given such a situation, women entrepreneurs are bound to rely on their own savings, if any, and loans from friends and relatives, which are expectedly meager and negligible. Thus, women enterprises fail due to the shortage of finance. Next, second one, limited mobility. Unlike men, women mobility in India is highly limited due to various reasons. A single woman asking for room is still looked upon suspicion. Though she exercises involved her struggle involved in starting an enterprise coupled with officials' humiliating attitude towards men compels them to give up idea of starting an enterprise. Third one, family ties. In India, it is mainly women's duty to look after the children and the other members of the family. Man plays a secondary role only. In case of married woman, she has to strike a fine balance between her business and family. Her total involvement in family leaves little or no energy and time to devote for business. Next one, male dominated society. In the male dominated society, the Constitution of India speaks of equality between sexes, but in practice, women are looked upon as weak in all respects. Women suffer from male reservations about a woman's role, ability, and capacity and are treated accordingly. In a nutshell, in the male-dominated Indian society, women are not treated equal to men. This in turn serves as a barrier to women entry into business. Prevalent sociocultural attitudes and beliefs are not conducive to the blossoming of women as entrepreneurs. Male child is still preferred than female child right from birth. Next one is family conflicts. Women entrepreneurs also face the conflict of performing role as they are not available spend enough time with their families. They spend long hours in business and as a result they find it difficult to meet the demands of their family members as and society as well. The inability to attend domestic work, time, children's education, personal hobbies, entertainment adds to their conflicts. Next one is role conflicts. Entrepreneurship needs high-level commitment, devotion, and dedication. Women taking on the mantle of entrepreneurship suffers from stress and strain caused by role overload and role conflict as they strive simultaneously to cope with their multiple roles. The thing is, students, if you wish to refer many other sources, you will come across other problems faced by women entrepreneurs like cultural issues or geographical limitation, etc. Even if those points are quoted here also, that will be okay. Thanks for watching the video.